TikTok Shop Product Finder. A TikTok Shop Product Finder is an essential tool for discovering profitable, trending, and high-demand products to sell. It helps sellers identify what items are performing best on TikTok by analyzing product popularity, engagement levels, and sales data. Using a product finder ensures you focus on products that match TikTok's viral nature, items that are visually appealing, easy to demonstrate in short videos, and resonate with current trends. An effective product finder lets you filter results by category, competition level, and market demand. You can see which products are trending, what prices they sell for, and how competitors are positioning similar items. This data-driven approach eliminates guesswork, helping you choose winning products with strong potential for consistent sales and viral reach within TikTok Shop's ecosystem. Many professional sellers use Helium 10 as their TikTok Shop product finder because it provides powerful product research and analysis tools. Helium 10 identifies high-margin, low-competition products and tracks market performance across time, giving sellers confidence before launching new listings. By combining TikTok's trend-based audience data with Helium 10's advanced product insights, sellers can find products that are not only popular, but also profitable. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to find trending products and scale your TikTok shop like a pro.